How to watch, listen to, and follow March Madness online away from a TV has how you can stream all of the March Madness game and follow the action on Twitter. Let the game begin. One team's gained automatic entry into the 2013 Division I men's basketball tournament, also known as March Madness, by winning their respective conference tournament. One selection Sunday, March 17, a commitment award an additional 37 at large bids. The 6 teams were divided up into four regions and assigned seats. The first four round of games, the pull down to the final four teams, and the first of these face offs began today. Every game will be broadcast live in its entirety on CBS, TBS, TNT, and TV. With so many games packed into so few hours, it's that some of your must see will tip off during the workday. But if you cannot slip out to a nearby bar to watch, you can still follow the action from your desk. All through it might require a cable subscription. Just be sure your boss does not overhear you cursing a pet call on the radio. Subscription can listen to play by play of every tournament game on channels 91, 92, 93, 95, and 85, as well as XM channels. And if you would rather watch every pump fake and post up, you can stream game to your computer or mobile device using the free NCAA March Madness Live app, available for iOS or Android. You must log in with your cable or satellite service provider information. All through games broadcast on CBS do not require registration. Do not have uh, cable for our live video pass is available without login in. If you desire an interactive experience, all things March Madness can be found on Twitter, including status squares and the opening you did not ask for. In the slideshow below, PC Mag has assembled a star student lineup of analytic organization and players that share cricket and tweet up to the mint news to keep your head in the game, whether you are desk bound or this former college and professional basketball coach is often considered the unofficial voice of college basketball, having kind presses like he called Espin first college basketball broadcast in 1979 and now brings his colorful commentary to Twitter. Baby, this freshman was projected to be the first overall pick in the 2013 NBA draft, but after tearing his ACL in a game against his season come to a scratching halt. Whether Noel will return for another season with the or enter into the draft is a question that has gained him more than follow his latest rap song only focuses fans further will lines like on my ACL, but I shall still make it to the pros and I might come back, but I do not know yet.